Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
My name is Doris Leakes. I had a head injury in October 6th of 1996. I suffer from chronic neck pain and headaches and back pain.
How did that started? What happened?
So the cover to the attic in my classroom fell flat on my head.
Okay.
And in October. And because of that injury, I couldn't work for the remainder of the school year.
So you had concussion?
At that moment, yes, I did. At that moment, I did not lose my, I did not lose consciousness or anything like that. But after a while, I started feeling like my brain was swelling up. And my husband had to take me to the ER.
Okay.
And that's where I was told that I had a concussion.
Okay.
And I was treated with muscle relaxants and pain medications and physical therapy.
Okay, so those are the treatment you received. And you had it since 1996.
Yes.
Okay, and did your pain get better, or it's been like?
It has never gotten better.
For how many years now? So we are 2017. So I'm not really good at math. So 17 years and another 4 years. So a good 21 years.
So yes.
So now what you experience is you still feel experiencing the headaches?
I do continue suffering from migraines, headaches. I have pain every single day.
Every single day.
The level of pain is what varies.
Okay.
But the pain is every day.
Okay. So can you describe the migraine? What symptoms do you get with that?
With the migraine, it's pressure. Right. This is what I've been experiencing lately.
Okay.
It's pressure right around here, where I cannot stand my glasses.
Okay.
Right back here, the temple area,
the occipital area here,
back here too.
Do you experience some sensitivity to light?
I experience sensitivity to light, noise.
Okay.
You
feel nauseous?
I feel nauseous.
Okay.
What else
do you get aura? The aura?
I've experienced that, even though lately I haven't had that, but I've had that while driving, and I have to stop. Okay. Because I see these little triangles surfacing from the side of mine.
So this has been going on for 21 years now.
Yes.
And what's going on with your neck and shoulder?
Neck is also a constant pain. Being a kindergarten teacher, I have to be leaning over the students, to help them in the little tables. So I'm in constant pain on my neck.
How much pain from 0 to 10? The constant pain?
The constant pain, it's 3, 4. Okay. All the time.
At worst, how much pain do you experience?
I've been taken to the hospital for because of pain, because it's gotten.
So it's 10 out of 10 when it gets worse.
My husband takes me to the ER, and they give me the pain medication and the muscle relaxants. They give me physical therapy.
How many physical therapies through this years you had before?
I go a lot.
Okay, so like 5 times, 6 times, 10 times?
Yeah, I cannot go more than once a year. Okay. So I have to, I have to wait.
You almost had it every year?
I've gone to chiropractors.
You had chiropractor, okay. And what else? You had massage?
Yes.
Okay, acupuncture?
I haven't tried that.
Okay, so
I haven't tried acupuncture.
Chiropractor, massage, physical therapy, so you tried almost everything in the book.
except acupuncture.
Not gonna.
And I
It's not good.
don't like taking pain medications, so I just put up with the pain.
Okay, so let's move your neck left and right and tell me how much pain you feel with that. So turn.
So right
That's
here,
as far as you can go.
yeah.
You're very limited. Okay.
Yeah, that's right there.
Go to the other side.
Right there.
That's limited to backward. You tell me how much pain.
That I
0 to
I
10.
can't. I'm 3, 4.
Okay. If you push it, it's worse.
Right there.
Okay.
This is more so.
Do you
This
have
is
an
a
issue
4.
with your shoulder?
Right there. But when I raise my arm, it's very tense
And
on
headache
my
today?
shoulder.
How much headache today? Do you feel? And where do you
A
feel?
3.
3. Where do you feel the headache?
Here.
You're really tight.
Mm-hmm.
Is it painful? It's okay.
Little painful.
Actually, it's not. And you feel pressure in your
Yes,
eyes?
right there.
Is that too much? Okay. Let me know if it's too much, okay? Don't let me move you. Don't let me move you. And relax. Don't let me move you. Did anyone work on your head like this?
No.
So you had physical therapy, did not work on your head. Nice, beautiful. How you feel?
Good.
All right. What do you think about this treatment?
It's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
You know, having had so many
Mm-hmm.
treatments from physical therapy,
Mm-hmm.
this is good.
Mm-hmm. Can you tell a difference between ASTR and the stuff you had before?
Yes.
What's the difference?
I feel with ASTR,
ASTR, okay.
I feel like more rapid
Recovery.
relief, pain, less pain,
Less pain. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
immediate.
Immediate. Okay, that's good. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.